Hi, it's Matt from Go Green Autos. So this video is about a rattle you can sometimes get in a Renault Zoe boot lid. I don't know whether I'm going to make this one rattle there. If you shake the boot lid violently, you'll feel the rattle. What it actually is rivets that hold the number plates on. So Renault dealers often use these aluminium rivets to hold the plate on. And if a dealer in the past has changed the number plate, as they have done with this one, they drill the rivets through and leave the back of the rivet loose in the boot lid. And I don't know if you've just heard it then, that's what we've got. We've got one or two rivet heads rattling around inside the boot lid. So you have to take this cover off to get access in here, to get your fingers in there and try to recover those one or two rivet heads. So all you need is a T20 torque screwdriver. There's one screw there and one screw there, and then with those screws removed, you've just got to pull the plastic trim off. Bit awkward me doing this one-handed. Sometimes that's enough and you can get your hand in there, but I'm going to take the whole thing off in this case. So you just push on the boot lid and there, that will come off, and I'll show you on the back. It's just held with these retaining clips, so 3 along that side, 3 along that side, and this is where your 2 screws are held in. And then looking up on the underside of the boot, you've just got to get your hand in here and here and try to recover the heads of the rivets. So the best thing to do is drop the boot down, give it a good shake to get them into this lip, and naturally they're going to fall somewhere to the lowest point in this lip, and then you can get your fingers in and retrieve it. And there's one of them. I've just got this one out and I've rattled the boot again and it's still doing it. So in this case there are clearly 2 of these left inside the boot. But that's all you got to do. It's a common problem. I see a lot of Renault Zoes with these still left rattling around inside the boot lid. Actually, I've just got my hands in there and got the other one out and actually found another 2. So in total, this Zoe had 3 rivet heads rattling around inside. So I wasn't expecting to find that. So I'm glad I made this video now. So it's a good example of what you can find in the boot lid of a Renault Zoe. It's just shoddy workmanship from people that have changed the plates. Obviously, like I do, most motor dealers want to put their own branded number plates on the back for a bit of advertising, but they shouldn't leave this stuff rattling around inside the boot lid. It's very annoying. And I'll just quickly explain putting this back up. It's in reverse, very simple, but you need to hook these bits in round here first. Get it on the right side of these cables. You can just hook it in here and here and then line everything up, get it round the catch. It will sort of then self-support itself, and then just give it a thump where these clips bang in. Thump on both sides, put the screws in, and job done.